In Egypt's industrial heartland, Ceramica Platino Group stands at the forefront of a manufacturing shift. As the country's first fully automated smart ceramic tile factory, the company has set a new standard for how heavy industry can embrace technology and scale with precision. The factory runs on precision. Robotics, smart ovens, IoT controls, every process must stay perfectly in sync, every second, every day.
We believe that excellence does not come in minutes, it comes in milliseconds. Even 1 second of downtime can be cost us dearly. That's why we built everything on precision.
Ceramica Platino, a subsidiary of El Salab Limited, pairs bold vision with disciplined execution, earning a reputation for innovation without compromising on quality.
Our production line cannot afford a single moment of downtime. So our network infrastructure must be just as reliable, built to support the demand of smart manufacturing.
And the challenge went beyond replacing equipment. How do you upgrade a live, mission-critical network without shutting down a single tile line?
The Ruijie team worked side by side with us, conducting site visits, designing the topology, and helping us go live with zero disruption.
We started with a small-scale deployment to test compatibility and performance. What stood out was how well it integrated with Ceramica Platino legacy systems, especially older IP phones and control equipment. With a successful pilot in place, the project moved into full deployment, anchored by Ruijie's IS5200 industrial switches and Wi-Fi 6 access points.
At the heart of the deployment, Ruijie's IS5200 industrial switches, purpose-built for the heat, dust, and complexity of smart manufacturing. From powering robotics to integrating legacy IP phones, the network needed to do more with less, without ripping out systems that still work.
Everything went online in hours, not days. Configuration was easy. We are running live while deploying, no production impact at all.
The deployment was more than a technical upgrade. It was a strategic collaboration designed to support Ceramica Platino's growth, including its upcoming expansion to production lines spanning 35,000 square meters per day.
Some zones in our facility are extremely challenging. The fact the hardware continues to run without issue tells us we made the right choice.
Wireless access points from Ruijie's Wi-Fi 6 series extended coverage across offices, warehouses, and factory floors, creating a truly unified environment for users and systems.
What used to be isolated segments, like a production control and monitoring, are now linked. We have a real-time visibility across departments, which help us react faster.
Ruijie's WIS platform became an extension of the team, enabling proactive alerts, easier management, and live troubleshooting.
With WIS, our lean IT team doesn't just respond, they anticipate. From factory floor to showroom, we have a full visibility.
As Ceramica Platino expands, so do their ambitions. Sustainability is at the core, from solar power to water treatment and air filtering.
Being smart is not enough. We must be green. We reuse our water, clean our air, and we design with the environment in mind, just as we design the networks.
It's this combination of innovation, agility, and long-term thinking that drives Ceramica Platino forward and sets the foundation for future growth.
Our philosophy is like Formula One racing. Success isn't about big changes. It's about mastering the millisecond, and that takes the right tools, teams, and timing.
From IT to OT, from today to tomorrow, Ceramica Platino's journey is a testament to what happens when digital meets discipline.
Ruijie didn't just sell us equipment. They partnered with us in our terms, in our time-critical environment, and with zero compromise.
This isn't just a network upgrade. It's a foundation, connecting every process, protecting every second, and powering every next step. In a factory where each second counts, every connection matters.